Hello guys, it's me, Meowth. You're welcome. I'm going to be playing a game with Raichu. Raichu? Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so let's play this. What is this called? This is called Separate 3D Assassin. We're going to be playing for like 10 minutes. So let's go. We have made a video of this before, but we had to take it off YouTube because things happened, yeah. So let's buy a gun. We have so much money. Okay. Let's get an assault rifle. 27? Okay, let's buy a shotgun. 27. Let's buy special. All of these are... Let's go. Okay, Raichu, you're gonna take a little rest. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's do egg hunt. Actually, no, let's do spec ops. Actually, no, let's just do primary. Ooh, last level. Last level of primary. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The man who's leaving the car. Okay, you heard that, guys. We're gonna get the man who's leaving the car. So I played this level before. True, it is very tricky. So it's a red car. Where's the car? Where's the car? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's kill him. God, I hate this. Okay, let me get my face back. Oh, wait. Let me just win this and I'll get my face back in. I'm gonna kill that man so hard. Okay, he's about to die. Yeah, finally did it. Take that, sucker. It was even a headshot. Speaking of headshot, let's get my face back in. Okay guys, I am back. I couldn't get my face back in, so we're gonna make a part 2 at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. There's gonna be a part 2. So get ready. So make sure you're here at 7 p.m. to see my newest video. Was that him? That's him. Okay, let's, oh, he's with the cop. Oh, headshot! Eat my bullet! take my bullet. Let's kill him. Okay. Oh, is that him? That's definitely him. Please die. Please die. Oh, headshot! Well, let's go buy a gun. Okay, what do you want to buy? Let's buy that assault rifle that we wanted. So we could play multi-kill. Okay. We wasted all our money, but it was worth it. Okay, let's do multi-kill. Start. Kill 9 thugs. And they're armed. Oh, is that him? That's one. Die, mother trucker! Come on, reload already! Take this! Headshot! Headshot! Oh great, I'm being shot. Die! Oh great, no more. Can we get some headshots? Oh, that was... Oh god! Oh, that hurts. Okay. Am I dying?
Mission failed.
Mother... Bull... This game is... Okay, Raichu, it's your turn. I'm mad. I'm out of here. Okay, stay here just in case if I beat him. Oh, sure, you're definitely gonna beat it. Oh. Oh, don't get near me. Okay, here's a chance of headshot. Oh, guys. The weatherman lied to you. It's cloudy with a chance of bullets. I hate this game. Mia? Come here. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Oh, sorry, that's my owner's sister. Okay, let's go. Oh, he fell. Oh, he fell too. Soldiers have fallen. These are not soldiers, these are thugs. Oh, right. Okay, I'm gonna blow that up. Okay, that was epic. Die! Wait, this is the part that I lose. I hate this game. This game is horrible. This game is trash. I hate it. That's it. I have to save that for later. That thing I have to blow up. Let's use one of them now. Oh, headshot. Okay, when they all start to kill me, that's what I use. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Come on, use the thing that blows them up. Oh, I won! I won! Yes?
Close the door, then bathroom door, the door. I mean, you don't.
Okay. Bye, guys.